Hi, my name is Mark DaCosta. I'm an account manager with LIBURDI. I've been with the company for 18 years. My background is actually electrical technologist. So I started off as a service tech and then went to field service, and now I'm an account manager. Liburdi is introducing new customers to our solutions for their SMR projects. Deep Narrow Groove and Liburdi FireCam allows us to help our clients succeed with their welding challenges. We are simulating a 3G narrow groove weld. Working with our local rep, Jinhung we are developing a weld program to help our customer with an ultra-deep welding application. Amazing! Liburdi FireCam uses the latest sensor technology to provide the user with the highest quality weld monitoring on the market. Its small form factor and optional configurations allows us to install cameras on weld heads that would never have been considered in the past. We're also working on real-time NDE. It allows us to monitor the weld in real time, and if a weld anomaly is found, allows us to stop the weld, investigate, make repairs if needed, and continue without having to wait until the end. Liburdi, 해보자!
Hey Mark, that's not good. 진흥테크!
Liburdi, 해보자! You're crazy.